In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add lists to organized tasks in Trello. Trello is a powerful tool for managing projects, and using lists effectively can streamline your workflow. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to add and name lists that will help you categorize and control various tasks efficiently. First, let's begin by logging into Trello. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Trello's website. Once you're there, enter your login credentials to access your account. If you're using Trello for the first time, you'll need to create an account. But if you're a returning user, simply sign in as usual. You'll find yourself on Trello's homepage, where all your boards are displayed. Next, take a moment to choose the board where you want to add a list. You can have multiple boards for different projects, so pick the one that relates to the task you're organizing. For instance, if you're working on a project board, click on that particular board to open it. This will give you access to the current lists and cards within that specific board. Now, it's time to add a new list to your board. Look towards the right side of your open board, where you'll find the option that says Add another list. Clicking on this option will prompt you to enter a name for your new list. Naming your list is crucial as it will help you know what type of tasks will be grouped together. Consider what tasks or categories align best with your workflow. For example, if you are managing a project, your list might be named To Do, In Progress, and Completed. With your list name in mind, type it into the field provided. You want to use clear and concise naming conventions to ensure that anyone who accesses the board can quickly understand the purpose of the list. Once you've entered the desired name for your list, you can go ahead and finalize it by clicking on the Add List button. This action adds the new list to your board, allowing you to start populating it with tasks or cards almost immediately. That wraps up our tutorial on adding lists in Trello. Remember, organizing your list thoughtfully helps in managing your tasks more efficiently, and maintaining an uncluttered board increases productivity. As you become more familiar with Trello, you might find new ways to optimize your boards, such as color coding lists or integrating with other productivity tools. Thank you for tuning in, and happy organizing with Trello.